Diyan na yun. Eksakto yung track na yan. Biglang bumilit siya na.
Wala yan.
Malaki naman sa dyan eh. Kala nyo na hindi. Pero butite.
Butete? Hindi. Malaban eh, di ba? Ano yan? Matakbo pa. Sunday afternoon, 3:43. 1 minute 30 seconds to the fight. Malaban pa.
Parabolic.
Going 7 minutes into the fight. Wow. Oh wow, nice.
Oh, ganda mo. Oh, what's the one?
Excuse me, Gar.
Sorry. Give it another 10 minutes.
Should we let it go all the way down?
No, just don't do it like that. On the way down lang din.
Yeah.
Pagod din eh.
Pag tumunog o, itigil nyo yung...
Don't reel.
No, this is gonna end up being like the one where it's fight.
Oh! Ow!
Mabait lang. Pero mga... John, ang yung palo niya. Dali mo din dali. Dali din.
Wow, nice. Light tackle fighting.
If that's a stingray, pretty much you're fighting dead weight. That's right.
Yeah. What kind of monster is this?
Narok na to, no?
Yan.
Ano kaya yan? Dito ang gold. Malaki.
Wow.
Kaya pala mga kumaga.
Dahil dyan?
Huh? What? Oh. What, Gar?
This is probably a stinger.
How's it drag?
Okay na. Hindi, pare. It's light. That's a normal drag setting.
Yeah. Nice.
Saudi.
Sabi yan.
Bagal eh. Kasi matigas.
Come on, gloves, Al.
No, okay.
Okay.
Well, it's getting more than what I'm reading her in.
Kung di mo malapit, umiikot, pare. Yan. Zoom mo. Taking it.
Napagod na nga ako holding the cam up.
Yes, yes.
Hintay ng linya niya. Bago pa naman. Palit kayo ng linya niya.
Bago lang yung reel, bago linya, lahat.
Akin ba yan?
Yep.
Hey, that's my line.
This is real.
That's my rod and reel.
Almost a spoon out pa.
Hindi ha. Hindi yung
Oh my God.
Oy.
Nice fight.
Ano, baka buti tayo ko sa chupak dito.
O, kas pa tayo. Antayin ka namin. Are you gonna spool out, man?
No, no.
If it keeps going for a minute but like that?
The problem is taking it back.
Paano tumigil?
Ayaw.
Layo na siguro yan.
Yeah.
Bringing a knife to a gunfight.
Spool out, pare. Labita mo ang spool out yan.
Hindi, yung. Ang ano yung nandun, no?
Saan?
Yung. Lutang eh.
Al.
Boss, wag niyo.
Oo. Makakagdaan na pawikan.
Baka nung pawisan.
Ano niya, It could be the turtle. The turtle that kept surfacing.
Yeah.
Pawikan yan.
Yeah, let
Hindi,
it go.
bagal eh. Bagal na mabigat eh.
14 kilo turtle, bro.
30 kilo.
30 kilo yan? Just skip video.
And we're on the 14th minute of this epic battle.
River monster.
As Cammy would say, who will win?
Sea monster. Wait, nawala.
Nagit
Wala.
na.
Nalagot. Lagot.
It's okay.
It's okay, he had a good fight.
That's a nice fight, right, Al?
Yeah, but what the fuck
Yeah,
was it?
no, that's probably the 30 kilo turtle. The pawikan.
Pawikan ho yan. Lumutang eh.
Overman. Wala, undergun.
Undergun.
Bringing a knife to a gunfight. Para kang pumunta Mindanao. May dala kang balisong. Where's my lighter? Okay.
Okay, what's next up?
Me.
We got 4 minutes.
Does it count?
That counts. You lost it. You lost it. It counts. That
What?
counts. You lost it.
Yeah.
What, Gary lost a couple?
No, it counts.
Wow, that took a lot of line.
That's a nice fight.
May ilang metro kinuha niyan?
Baka nasa...
300, 200.
daw. Ilang karga nyo yan?
230. Hindi, ano yan?
Still reeling it in. Nice fight.
Tingnan natin tiran.
Mga 300.
No, it won't, you won't kill him with a tiny hook like that.
Took 200 meters.
200.
Pawikan yan, ano?
Pawikan yan.
Dahil ang pagit pag gano'n, hindi mo
Ganun kalakas.
ganun kalakas.
Siyang bagal eh, no?
Ikaw, sa linya.
No way, man.
Oh, the leader, oh.
Ito ka leader.
Nice one.
Leader.
Okay, bro.
Good fight.
Good one. Too bad we didn't land her.